Yeah, I don't know what to do. Feel like sometimes I wanna kill my fucking self. I don't even know where to look for some help. I'm by myself, I'm just so low. I don't even know if I can trust somebody though. So fuck that shit, that's why I stay by myself. Cause if a nigga says I'm wrong, he gon' get left. Put him in the ground and I ain't playing no games. I don't fuck with you lions, I make it go insane. In the membrane, and if you think I'm playing games, I'm in this bitch only for the money and the fame. I ain't came here to fucking make friends. But they say when you money, you get more friends. But when you lose that shit, don't nobody watch your back. Man, that shit is whack, and I don't like the man. What happened to the loyalty out in the streets? These niggas don't even know about loyalty. That's why I do me. That's why I stay so low, fucking dolo. And I don't play games with you fuckos. Cause you niggas can't do shit with me though. That's why I stay so low, dolo. Cause I don't fuck with you fuckos. You niggas don't wanna see me though. Cause when I'm on the beat, I just go ho. I don't fuck with you fuckos, ain't none of you real. I wanna put the pistol to all your grills and put all you niggas in the ground 6 feet deep, behind 10 feet deep now. Free my nigga and the nigga locked up for a bitch. And you know what a bitch is a snitch. I don't even like the shit, that shit is over with. Just wait till my nigga get out, we got the scene on lock, bitch. And we ain't even lying, we dust this shit. Push the niggas out here hating on us and shit. But see, I don't give a fuck, I just do me. Why you keep hating on me? Cause I love it, G. Keep on going, doing the hate, cause I love it. The more you hate me, the more I get stronger, bitch. I'm just in this bitch to make some money. But fuck that other shit, I want your bitch, fool. But fuck that other shit, I'm by myself. I don't even need no help, fuck you, man. That's why I stay so low. Fucking dolo, no ho. See, that's why I stay so low. Dolo, I don't fuck with you fuckos no more. Cause y'all stab me in my back the before. That's why I don't like you fuckos. Niggas know I'm by myself and I don't need no help. Fuck the other shit and fuck where you niggas at. My motherfucking circle target to it. That's so many niggas stab me in my back and that shit is whack. I don't like that shit and that's a fucking fact. Every nigga stole from me, wish he wouldn't have did it, man. Cause I swear to God they send to see what I do, what I become. Cause I'm the truth. I ain't even lying, nigga. I just do me. That's why I stay to myself and I don't fuck with you fake niggas, cause I can smell it. I can fucking see it in your eyes, cause I just dealt with it. This shit is so fucking whack. I don't even like this shit, and it's a fact. That's why I stay so low, dolo, cause I don't fuck with none of you fuck hoes. So low, I stay so low, cause I don't fuck with you fuck hoes. I stay so low, cause I don't fuck with you fuck hoes. And I don't fuck with you fuck boys. And I don't fuck with you whack niggas. Cause my niggas got them big pistols. And they will fucking deal with you. If I want something to be done, you better get back before we make your ass fucking run. Better yet, chop you up, put you in the body bag, 2, 3 pieces. Then your mom must sad. She wouldn't even recognize a boy. You best believe my people got them big toys. And we don't play games, fuck you boys. Make you go insane in the brain, boy. That's why I stay so low.